Hey guys, so I am going to change the oil on our Chevy Silverado truck. We've got our oil pan ready to go down here, our 16 millimeter socket wrench, our oil filter wrench, our new oil filter. We've got our extra oil since we're changing the filters. We've got our 6 quarts of oil, our funnel, some paper towels just in case it gets a little messy. And what else? Our my ice cold beverage beer while I'm waiting for the oil to drain, or a soda, or a bottled water, or a cold beverage of your preference. I'm a beer girl. Anywho, I think I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so I'm under the truck here, and yeah, we're here and use our socket wrench, and we need to start draining out our old oil. Ready to oil filter out before I turn it to left. See this red gasket? You want to make sure that the old gasket came off your other oil filter. If not, and you put this in there and the other gasket's up there, it's going to shoot oil everywhere. So you need to make sure the other gasket came off. Looks like it did. So we're good. Give it to our mechanic friend and he takes it to work. It's important not to get it all in the street. All right, the oil is changed and I'm gonna go start her up and take a quick little drive.